Hey Chintu,
Arey, please don't disturb me, yaar.
what's your problem today?
Arey, I'm not able to understand what to carry and what not to carry for NEET exam.
Why to worry when Mintu is here? You have to carry an identity proof. Anything that is given by the government. Example, Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID, anything of that sort.
Okay, and also, do you know about the admit card that all the 3 pages are important for that?
Oh my god, I only took the first page.
Oh my god,
And you know
also-
what? You need passport size photo.
Like this?
Exactly. Carry more because you will lose for sure.
Okay, I'm so clumsy. But yeah, don't forget to carry that postcard size photo that is 4 6 inches, 4 by 6 inches.
Can I just go and tell the studio people? Will they do
Yeah,
it?
yeah, they will definitely do it.
Done. Then what if I get very, dehydrated in the exam hall?
Like, don't carry that colored type of bottles, just carry that transparent bottles.
I bought a bottle, it looks so fancy.
Arey, no, not this kind of bottle. Pinky. No. That transparent kind of bottle.
Okay.
Students, you must have taken the printouts of first 3 pages of admit card, and this is your first page where you have your personal details, and after that you have your test details, and down here you have self declaration. This is most important part where students, this is your name and then your address, and after that you have 3 boxes here. In the first box you will have your passport size photo, that is this kind of photo, you will stick it here. In the second box you have your left hand thumb impression, and in the third box, students, very important, you have your signatures, and that should be in front of the invigilator.
Now that Chintu told everything about the first page, let me tell you about the second page. In the second page, you have to stick your postcard photo, that is 4 by 6 inch photo. But the most important thing is you have to put a signature on your postcard photo. Half the signature can lie on the photo and the half can lie on the page. And on the right side, the invigilator will sign. So keep that in mind and put your signatures. Now students, if you come down, you can see signature of the invigilator, not your cup of tea. Here, candidate signature. That means you have to put 2 times signature both in the exam hall in front of the
Chal, bye Mintu, I'm leaving for the center.
Do you know the exam is on May 5th?
Yeah, I know, but the center is very far away, so I don't want to take any risk.
Yeah, I am planning to go at 1:45 because the exam center is so close.
Don't do this mistake. That the closing time is 1:30 p.m.
After that, I'll not be allowed.
Not at all. You know what? I'm going early, so that's why I'm planning that I'll leave at 4:30 p.m.
Hello, Madam G. You cannot do that. You can only leave with everyone that is after 5:20.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Oh, I should inform that to WhatsApp group also.
Yes, inform our ultra legends or else they'll go without any documents. Inform. First, identity proof. It can be a voter's ID, an Aadhaar card, a PAN card, a driving license, or anything that is given by the government. It can even be 12th admit card.
Okay, and what about the new admit card of NEET kit now?
Tell them to take 3 pages.
And the photos?
Passport size and postcard. And you know what? One passport size photo you have to give to the invigilator, so look good.
Arey, we are smart, no.
Exactly.
Try to worry. And what about that PWD certificate? That is also
Yeah,
a certificate.
if applicable. Tell them that also.
Yeah.
And also tell them about the water bottle.
Yeah, but the transparent one.
Water bottle.
Yeah, what if I feel like using restroom then?
You cannot use the restroom. No bio breaks. 1 hour during the exam and last hour of the exam. You can only use it in the between or before. Go before.
Okay.
Don't take any risk.
I think we are sorted now. Anything else left?
Madam, don't take the phone and go to the exam center.
Arey, that too I know, yeah. Chintu Mintu has no confusion.
If you also have no confusion, let us know in the comment with hashtag all set for NEET 2024.